Hello guys, today we will learn about improve listing quality. So this is the suggestion given from Amazon so you can improve your listing and increase your visibility and increase your sale. So basically while you are listing and after doing your listing optimization, whatever things which are left behind and which are very much important for Amazon to help you grow and help you connect to customer, if that information is not filled properly, Amazon will give you a notification in improve listing quality, where Amazon will ask you such question which you have to answer, and automatically Amazon will update that in your listing. So how you can do that? So come on Amazon Seller Central homepage. In the left hand side, click on this three line, go to catalog and click on improve listing quality. So according to Amazon, in this Koshia Mart, one of my sellers account, there are around 90 listing quality which Amazon needs to be edited. So I will start with the first one. So we have to click on the link on the title, so it will get open on Amazon. So this is the product, okay, chopper for vegetables, right? So what Amazon is asking over here, so we need to click on view all 5 improvements. So if I click over here, Amazon is asking me for 5 improvements. As soon as I edit over here and I click on save and close, automatically my listing would be updated and the chances of getting good visibility for this particular will automatically rise, because Amazon has asked us for some detail. After filling that, Amazon can push such detail to the required customer, right? So we need to answer this. Okay, so blade length unit, it's in centimeter. Blade length, it is 7 centimeter. Blade shape is curved. Okay, improved search results, special feature, it is multi-purpose. Recommended use for product, vegetables. Unit weight, which is in grams, and it is 500 grams. In add product review, everything is filled and I will click on save and close. So automatically changes saved take up to 48 hours for listing to update. So automatically Amazon from his end will update my listing. So if you are facing any problem related to sales, please make sure all your quality listing is been cleared. So whenever you are facing any problem, this is one of the checkpoint which you need to cover. This might be the reason due to which customer are not purchasing our product. As you saw, we did one listing in which seller has not given the basic detail of what is the weight of the product, what is the size of the blade. So without such detail, no customer is going to purchase your product. So image plays an important role, that is right, but information also plays its important role. So we need to fill each and every detail which is possible in our listing so customer can make a proper purchase decision. And so make sure while facing any sales issue, listing quality dashboard is the first thing you check. Make sure you have written down all important points and comment down below what all things you learned from this chapter. Thank you.